In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE, and today I would like to show you how you can change font style. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to hit Display. Now scroll again to tap on Font Size and Style. Go into Font Style section and apply one of those by clicking on the best one and going back. To try something more interesting, go back to the same settings and hit Download Fonts. Then you need to install the best one for you, thanks to this little icon right next to it. And go back to the list. Then apply it by clicking on it here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!